guys, what's up? It's Erica and I have some exciting news. I think I might be like an official YouTuber now or something because your girl was given her first sponsorship. That's right, I was reached out to by this company called Diamoda and they're like, hey, can we send you a piece of jewelry to make a video about? And I was like, yeah. So you know what, this is my first time doing this whole thing. I'm super new to it and I'm just like, oh, am I gonna be given a script? Do I get like a discount code, like a coupon code? Like how does this all work? So it's all like extremely exciting, but basically they're just like, okay girl, like here's a website, pick an item, we'll send it to you and you just like make a video and talk about it and then like send us the link within a week and then let us know what you think. So here we are. Yeah, oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, you know, your girl gotta pay the light bill. I'm here for it. I'm all for jewelry. I'm all for sponsorships. I will say the only thing that I just like will not endorse or promote is just completely, absolutely anything that just goes against my values, something that I don't even like use or haven't even tried. Like that's just weird. Like why would I talk about something I've never even done or used before? So I will say that, but other than that, your girl is fair game. I mean, send it on over. Come on, sponsorships, come on. Here it is. Okay, so I did end up peeking. You know what? Let's just first unbox it. I'm so excited. I don't even know what to say or where to start. It took like 3 weeks to get here. So okay. So empty bag. And it's nice and bubble wrapped. Oh, it looks like chocolate. Yeah, Diamoda. So there it is there. Oh, how pretty. That's really pretty. Okay, yeah, it's like a Christmas gift. And it's like, it really reminds me of chocolate. Oh man, okay, I love gift wrapping. Like gift wrapping is like one of my favorite things. Wrapping of it. But yeah, that's actually really nice. Okay, pretty. That's not what I was expecting. Usually like Amazon is just like a old plastic bag, but this is not Amazon. This is an actual company, which depending on how you like the necklace, I will link down below. And let's see, I'm trying to get this in. Oh, there we go. Oh, how pretty. Okay, so card, what's it say? Silver polishing cloth. Ooh, that's fancy. All right, we're gonna get to the good stuff. That's cute. Okay, so a nice little cloth to clean it with. Sorry, it's like real bright, you can't even see it, but little cloth. Okay, pretty. I like that. That a lot. It's thoughtful, little thoughtful things. Nice little gestures. A card, best wishes to you. Empty. A personalized note would have been nice, but you know what? That's okay because I'm just getting started. New booth. I gotta earn my keep. It's all right. Okay, and it's just like live chat, telephone, email information, policy exchange, how to return or exchange information. Okay, that's nice. I really like the color. Like that pink's really pretty. I forgot what I asked them for. I basically sent in like 10 different things and I'm like, okay, you guys pick one, and they're like, no, you gotta pick one. So I just like closed my eyes and picked one, and then that was the one. It comes out of the box like that. That's really nice. I really like the packaging so far. And okay, so there's the plastic. There's the plastic I was talking about. It would have been nice to have it like, you know, here, that would have been pretty, but the box is cute and I guess, you know, it's gotta travel. So new luxury for everyone. All right. It's in 2 different bags. So come on. Oh, okay. So this was one of them. It's like a little chain necklace. Plastic taggy thingy. I need some scissors. They really made this thing. There you go. Okay, so it's got one of, where is it? One of those clasps, which I'm not a huge fan of. I don't really like those too much, just because it makes it a little bit difficult to get on and off myself, but I still somehow manage. So we're gonna do this the old-fashioned way. Wait, no, I'm gonna have to get a mirror. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Okay, your girl finally got it on. And this is actually really pretty. Okay. I was low-key hoping that I had picked one of the more like daintier necklaces because that's actually something that I'm really into. The last year, I used to be really into like the heavy chain metal necklaces and layers, but you know, these days I like something a little bit more subtle. That's actually really cute. Now, I will be concerned about whether or not it ends up resting. I used to wear my jewelry in the shower all the time because it's, you know, I don't feel like taking it off, and most of my gold, you know, isn't really real, which is fine. It's fine, it's totally fine. I mean, who wears real gold anyway these days unless you're like a bajillionaire, but my jewelry would rust. So I started taking it off before showering and then putting it back on and taking it off and putting it back on, which is a lot because I have like a lot of little pieces. But anyways, I will be concerned about whether or not this rusts over time and gets that, you know, brownie metal color, but this is actually really pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the night. So it does have that one clasp. It comes down to here. I wear a lot of like hoodies and sweatshirts, so let me grab one and see how that looks with it. All right, cute. It's a vibe. That's actually really cute. Okay, so it sits nice and neat right there. And if I happen to have my, yeah, all right. I'm totally digging it. Yeah, that's really pretty. How exciting. Yay, first unboxing, first sponsorship, yay. Rolling with the big dogs. I'm getting there. I'm headed to the big leagues. This is also actually really exciting because I'm just about to hit 100 subscribers. Like, that's a big deal. That's a big deal. That's a real big deal. This is actually really cute. Okay, all right, you know, I'll do them a solid. I will post the link. I will post the link to this website, and I will post the link to this item. I'm not there yet. I don't get a discount code or coupon code.
Hello, this is Erica from the future. Quick edit. As it turns out, I do get a code. At the time of filming, I didn't have one, but then the group came through, the company came through, and they sent me a coupon code the very next day. So my own coupon code is going to be EricaX. You will get 10% off. More details are listed in the description box below. Okay, continue video.
So, you know, purchase on your own free will. But yeah, this is cute. Okay, all right. I'll have to make a video and send them the link and let them know. So this is, yeah, I approve. This E+. This gets an E+ on the E rating, on the E scale. That's all I got to say about that. I mean, this is a big deal. First time, you know, I'm just still in shock that someone wanted to send me something in the first place. Like I said before, come on, sponsorships, come on. In the words of Rich Lex, I need to pay the light bill. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.